subject Science and Technology Part 2. First chapter is Heredity and Evolution. What is meant by heredity? The transfer of biological character from one generation to the next generation via genes are called heredity. Then biological characters means genetic material which is present into the DNA. The next point is hereditary changes. Hereditary changes means we are not exact copy of our parents, not identical, but similar. Similar in what terms? Color of our eyes, hair pattern, then our skin color, physical and mental health, intelligence quotient, which is transferred from our parents to us. But there is a not exact identical things, but it is just like a similar. In this chapter, there was a list of scientists who gave important contribution towards the uncover of genetic code. First one, Gregor Johann Mendel. In 1886, he took several experiments on pea plants and explained the inheritance of character. So, he was the pioneer of genetics, also founder of genetics or father of genetics. In 1901, Hugo de Vries came up with mutational theory. Mutation means sudden changes in genetic material in DNA. When there is a sudden changes in genetic material in DNA, there are the hereditary disorders. Hereditary disorders like sickle cell anemia, Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. Then in 1902, Walter and Sutton, both scientists first observed pair of chromosomes in the cell of grasshopper. Then today we know 23 pairs of chromosomes present in human being. In 1944, trio scientists Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy and Colin McLeod proved that except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as a genetic material. Question arises that what is present into the genetic material in viruses? Genetic material in viruses in the form of DNA or RNA. In 1961, Francois Jacob and Jack Monod, they gave the model of the protein synthesis in bacterial cells, small structure, which proves that how protein synthesis happened. This total history of genetics and efforts of these scientists uncover the genetic hidden genetic codes into the DNA. Then next is why science of heredity is important. It is useful for diagnosis, treatment, prevention of hereditary disorders, production of hybrid varieties in plants and animals, industrial processes in which microbes are used. Always remember that in total my explanation, major centralized thing is DNA because it carries the genetic material. Then main function of DNA, it provides information in genetic form for the protein synthesis, which allows growth and development of an organism. Protein is very important to our body for the building blocks of our body. Our whole metabolism is done with the help of protein. We start the protein synthesis process. I will tell you some basic that you need to understand. First one is nucleic acid. There are the two nucleic acid present into the cell of the living organism. First one is DNA and second is RNA. DNA means deoxyribose nucleic acid and RNA means ribose nucleic acid. DNA carries the genetic material. RNA helps into the protein synthesis. The function of RNA to play an important role into the protein synthesis. Both DNA and RNA has the structural basic unit that is called nucleotide. It is the backbone. It is the backbone of both DNA and RNA that is called the basic structural unit nucleotide. We begin RNA. There are the three types of the RNA. In previous standard, 9th standard, we have learned the three types of the RNA. Messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, and the transfer RNA. Then messenger RNA. Messenger RNA carries the codon for the amino acid. Messenger RNA carries the codon for the amino acid. What is amino acid? Amino acid is the basic unit of protein for the protein synthesis. For protein synthesis, it is the basic unit of the protein. Amino acid, there are the 20 amino acids. For example, in the skin there is the melanin, in nails keratin, hair also keratin, blood hemoglobin. Then the next is the rRNA. It is important for the protein synthesis. Then tRNA. tRNA has the anticodon related to codon present into the mRNA. Just like it is the lock and key mechanism. It is the lock and it is the key. When there is a lock and key matches, it releases the amino acid. When it releases amino acid, this released amino acid bind to the ribosomes and process of protein synthesis completed. Main things to understand that meaning of codon. Codon means codon, or in our chapter there is a triplet codon. Each amino acid is made up of 3 nucleotides, that is called triplet codon. For example, this is the suppose protein chain. Codon for one amino acid is 3 nucleotide. Codon for another amino acid is 3 nucleotide. Then next one, then also next one. For example, we say that amino acid A, amino acid B, amino acid C, amino acid D, and vice versa. In next session, we study the 3 main steps of the protein synthesis: transcription, translation, and translocation.